Hello, Amanda Czosek with Guardian Wealth Advisory Group, back with your weekly market update. So last week was a rough one for markets. First, the AI trade that's been driving so much of this year's gains hit a speed bump. Even strong corporate earnings weren't enough to offset kind of the investor jitters about whether these tech stocks can really keep up their momentum. Second, the government shutdown continued to drag on all through last week. That meant no economic data was coming out, which makes it harder for markets to kind of find their footing. Fortunately, Congress has reached an agreement to reopen the government, so we should be back to business as normal throughout the rest of this week. One piece of data that we collected that we did not get last week was consumer confidence, which dropped to one of the lowest levels that really we've ever seen. And that's a really big deal because consumers drive nearly 70% of the US economy. But when people get nervous, they stop spending, and that can create some real problems. Look, there's a lot of negative headlines right now, and it's causing some volatility for markets. If you are feeling anxious about the economy or your investments, please reach out. That's exactly what we are here for. We'll be back in your inbox next week with another market update.